can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing this 24-inch 6x4 body wave lace frontal wig. This wig comes with 180% density and it is a wear and go wig. So the lace on this wig has already been cut and ready for a quick install. Now I did bleach the knots, but the knots are still a little visible. So I'm going to go in with some makeup and apply this directly on the lace to help conceal any little black dots or knots that was not properly bleached during the bleaching process. Now this wig does not come with the hairline already bleached, which I wish it did, but I did again have to bleach the knots off camera. But the wig does come with a light plucked hairline. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It is that dome structure type of wig where there is no combs or elastic band at the bottom or the nape of the wig, but it definitely comes with the adjustable strap, which I found very handy for this install. And I also love that this company put the headband directly on the corners of the wig, making it a lot easier for the wig to be secured and not having the wig be like so big and bulky like. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and secure the wig and I'll be back. So now that I have the wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and see how this lace is looking and what the hairline is looking like. So I'm not quite sure if this wig is like HD or transparent, but whatever it is definitely blending into my skin. So I have no problem with that at all. Now again, keep in mind this wig is a 6x4 lace frontal wig, so meaning you're going to get 4 inches of parting space and 6 inches of lace, pretty much from ear to ear. And so right here, I'm just pretty much parting the hair throughout the wig so you girls can really see the 4 inches of parting space on the wig and just also see how clean the parts is whenever I do, part my hair throughout this wig. So I do want to go in with a wax stick as I am trying to get this curved part to be more visible on the wig. So in case you're new to wearing wigs or you just don't know, when you use a wax stick, it helps smooth out the roots of the wig, and it also helps tame like any type of flyaways that might be in your wig when you are parting the wig. So anyways, I'm gonna work on getting this wig super flat and smooth, and I will be back.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele.
Okay, girls, so obviously I went with a curved side part, and I'm going to pull some baby hairs out right here on the side. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the wig does come with a lightly plucked hairline, but honestly, this hairline is perfect. Like, I didn't even really feel a need to have to go in and dramatically pluck the hairline, but I am later in the video going to pluck the hairline just a little bit. Now I still have the same amount of lace on my wig as I did like before, like the install or whatever. So I just want you girls to see like how flawless this wig is already transforming to be as I spray it down with the got to be glued hairspray. So yeah, girl, now what I'm about to do is braid up or twist up those baby hairs so it is out the way, and I'm gonna get ready to cut some of the lace off the wig because the lace is a little too much. So yeah, I did need to go in and do a little bit of tweaking right there, but it wasn't a whole lot of lace that I needed to cut off. And so far this wig is giving, and it's gonna be such a bomb install.
Tobalo komacho, yeah. Tobalo makomacho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feels macho. Make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go.
Whew, y'all, this is a lot of hair. Y'all know how I feel about super long hair, but nevertheless, though, I'm going to make it work and I'm going to make it turn out really cute. So now that I got the wig pretty much secured down and I have cut off the little bit of extra lace that was on this wig, I'm going to go ahead and tie the wig down, putting the headband directly on my lace and my baby hairs. And I like to do this just to help with the melting effect of the lace, and I also like to do this whenever I'm curling or styling my hair to ensure that the wig stays in place. So this wig is super flat, like flat and it did not take a whole lot for me to get this wig flat, so I really don't even know why I continue to be obsessed with this hot comb and just literally press my wig so flat to the point where it's not gonna get no flatter. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and put me some curls in here because I mean it's curls for the girls. Like, what girl does not love curls in their hair? So I'm going to be using my favorite curling iron, which is a T3 curling iron. This is the digital one that does take a little bit of time to get used to. I really don't know if it was a good choice for me because I'm not used to this. I'm used to like the traditional curling irons, but I love the way this curling iron leaves my curls. My hair does not smell burnt. I don't have to have the heating like on super high. It can be on medium low and it's gonna still give. So yeah, girl, let me go ahead and finish curling my hair and I'll be back to finish styling this wig. Okay, so I curled the other half of my head off camera, and this is what the curls is looking like so far. As I expected, the curls was gonna curl, the hair was gonna curl regardless. So now it's time to remove the headband. Everything is melted, lace looks perfect, hairline looks amazing. Everything is just really working out for your girl. So I'm just taking a little bit more hairspray just to make sure that lace lays super flat and just making sure I don't have any extra lace laying on my head. So I'm gonna finger comb these curls, and honestly the hair is just too long and it's not doing what I need it to do. So I am gonna go in and cut some layers, which I did not want to do at first because I feel like I chop all of my long hair the fuck up. So like when I was like first getting into wigs and weave and stuff like that a long time ago, when wigs was really hot, or weave was really hot, I should say. I used to love me some long hair, girl. Give me a 26-inch any day. Let me bust it down any day. Now I'm like, baby, give me a 22 or a 20 and I'm out the door. So so yeah, I definitely had to go in this bad boy and cut some layers because the hair just wasn't falling the way I needed it to fall. And that's one of the things about like long hair and wanting curls. In order for it to give a look, you need to have layers in your hair. And you girls are going to see how this wig transformed from like long curls to more voluminous, fluffy curls that just really goes with my face and just makes my hair look very voluptuous and just very flowy and volume like. So yeah, girl, let me finish chopping up this hair. I'm not gonna take off too much, but I'm definitely gonna layer this hair because it needs it.
As I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I learned. Lily, oh, 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 Lily, oh, 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 oh,
Okay, y'all, and this is pretty much the final look to this beautiful wig. Look how I transformed this wig by just simply adding some layers and just adding some curls to the hair. This definitely like triggered a old style in me that I used to wear like back in the day, girl. So yeah, I like this look. This look is really cute, and it definitely needed some layers in this hair so it could give what I needed it to give. Hairline is perfect, lace melted, did not really take long at all for the install. It was just more so me trying to figure out the look that I was going for. This wig, y'all will definitely see me rock a lot more, especially on my social media. I took a couple of social media pictures, by the way. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you girls can really get into this hair and catch another review on this wig. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I have all the details below on this beautiful wig, and they are definitely having a sale right now. Coupon codes will be in the description bar. Thank y'all so much for watching. See y'all in the next one. Bye.